is Jill with Towanda, and we are here with another installment of our car maintenance series. Today the problem is the trunk, and specifically raising and lowering it because the struts are not working like they should. So we've already gone ahead and ordered the appropriate parts.
Well, first of all, how do you know the struts aren't working properly?
Well, that's my next statement. We know that the struts are not working like they should. And we know this because it takes, well, I'm strong. So, but for some, that's a lot to do.
It takes way too much effort to get it up.
It takes way too much effort to get it up. And then the other more disturbing part is if you're not careful, it can slam and right on your fingers. Well, so it shouldn't do that.
That loud, that hard.
Oh, and
I got it.
Okay. What we want is a nice glide. What we don't want is that, where it slams down.
And has an echo.
Yeah, and then what we also don't want is for it to be difficult to get open. So you could hit the trunk again because you have the key. Okay. And then in this case, it should be just one arm, but at this point I'm already having a struggle because it's too heavy. And not that the door is too heavy, it's just the struts aren't doing their job. So
what do struts do?
So the struts are there to control the trunk itself, to make sure that it doesn't come down too fast, and potentially, if you have your hands there, you could really smash your fingers. Or on the flip side, and I'll show you what I mean. So on the flip side, we don't want it difficult to open. And that's too much effort. Most trunks do not act like that.
They should pop up.
It should be easier to lift in this case. Every car is different. I don't know all cars, obviously, but in this case, the struts are just...
All right, yeah, so what are struts?
Struts are this piece here, and there's one on either side. This is one strut, this piece here that connects the hood to the car. And then there's one on this side as well. And so, screwdriver. So the first thing we need to do is take off the old ones. And when we do that, we have this little clip in here that needs to come out because it fastens right there. And we're going to need the help of a screwdriver. There, you can see it starting to move. Oh.
Sometimes you gotta talk to it.
Sometimes, yeah. Okay, so I just about got it here. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So there's not much to it. There's one on each end of the strut, and it should just come off then. Yeah. There you go. The other thing we're concerned about is whether it's going to drop. So you just pull, and another piece came off. The end. Ah, okay, so this is different than... Oh, it's this thing. And I know this because there's another one here. So maybe it's better if I leave it off to put the next strut on. We'll see. And here, same thing. Now I can't tell where it was. Oh, there, I got it. I got it. Here it comes. Right there. Okay, come on, you. Sometimes you gotta talk to it.
Here it goes.
Yeah. Alright, we'll just take this off.
Wait.
Okay. Alright, so then we just take off this other end, and there you go. The bad one is now off the car. Now we take the new one and take careful note of how the other one is installed.
And do one at a time so that it's balanced, yeah.
Well, not only that, I got I have this one installed so I can refer to it.
Right.
So now we take off these clips. Oop. Or maybe it'll just go on. Let's try that. It did. Look at that. Didn't even have to mess with it.
Pop on top.
And pop on the bottom. Oh, I didn't even have to do anything else. Nice.
Then
Put
pop
that back on.
Thing.
Yeah, because you want to cover that up. Just
So
like
it
the
doesn't-
bottom one.
So rust doesn't affect it.
Well, not so much that. It's just covering up the bolt there. And the nut, too. Nut and bolt. Okay. So, one side done.
Okay. Should we test it? See how it closes?
I don't think we need to.
I think we should, just in case.
I don't think it's necessary, but I'll do it.
Okay.
I was going to replace the next one.
Well, just to notice if there's a difference too.
I don't know if I'll notice that yet. Oh, I notice it. Oh,
I thought
it's
so.
stiff on this side.
Oh,
That was a little more solid.
I heard a difference.
Oh, that's already better.
Okay, cool.
Okay, not perfect, but it's better.
All right.
Alrighty, so
Repeat.
now I wonder if we can just pull these off. Unlike the video I watched.
Or the video you made.
Yeah. Okay, alright, so here we are. Get the next clip off. I should have a smaller screwdriver. Because that hole to get in is... Well, no, I got it.
Towanda.
Towanda.
Here.
There. Oh, that's what did it. That's what took off that piece. Cause
Yeah.
it pulled this out and nowhere to go.
Pop goes the weasel.
Okay. Okay, there's that. Alright. And then this one
There's a little notch on
should
the
be
top.
right there. Yeah. Okay.
So close.
I know. I know my dad would say right now.
What?
Gotta hold your mouth right.
Oh, your tongue, yeah.
No, he would say
That's
mouth.
me. Yeah. My antenna.
Yeah. Okay.
There. Yep.
I know. I see it. There we go.
All
There
right.
we go. See, one more. That's 4. This pulls off, and so does this. Ha! And I did it without popping that this time.
Well, we're missing one over here.
Let's see one left.
See, you're missing one of the black ones here.
Well, I guess so. Well, it's an older car, so...
Yeah.
Alright. So now, we just go ahead and... We've learned from the other one, we just pop it on. Right there. And right there.
Yeah. Cool. All right.
Now, let's test it. That was actually harder to get it down, but not dropping.
Yes.
So that was the point. And oh my god, a lot easier now. That was much better. Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah. Pop it again.
Wow.
So much better.
That looks.
You
I gotta.
Yay! Towanda!
Towanda.
So much nicer.
So, what would you expect to pay at a typical mechanic for that, replacing those?
Well, there's not a lot to it.
But that doesn't mean anything.
It depends on the mechanic. Because some would do it for free. Because it literally takes minutes. But others, who knows? They might call it a half an hour and charge accordingly. But as you can see, this is yet another simple maintenance thing you can do yourself. So, pop it one more time. You guys see it. Okay. Look at that. So much easier.
Beautiful.
So much easier. And then put it down. It's like you can't put your fingers in the wrong place because now it's more deliberate. And it doesn't slam. It doesn't
Awesome.
have that hazard.
Cool.
So that's it.
Awesome.
You can do this.
Towanda.
Read your manual.
Yeah, you have any other additional tips?
Absolutely. Read your manual. Get to know your car. That's the best way I know to not get ripped off. Know your car. Know the problems. Pay attention to it. Watch for, is it all of a sudden making noise it wasn't making before? Little things that'll tell you when there's a problem. If you know your car well, you'll know when problems are happening. And they may be very simple, like this one, although not so simple if you actually got your fingers caught in it. There you have it. How to replace trunk struts on your car. Towanda.
Okay, we're rolling.
Okay. So, my name is Jill, and we are
Bloopers.
back.
Sorry.
Okay, my name is Jill. We're back with another car.
My back.
And we are back.
Do that again.
My name is Jill, and we are back with another car maintenance video. Okay.
Okay, cut.
Gotta get the grease off it. Okay.
You want me to keep running it?
No.
That's funny. Rolling. Rolling, yeah.
On your car. Towanda.
Cut.